Okay, so we want to get the equation of the tangent to the graph of the function f of x equals 3x squared minus 2x plus 5. And it's going to be at the point where x is equal to 1. Okay, so there are two steps to this. We need a point and we need the slope. Okay, so let's break our page up into two. We'll get the point on this side and we'll get the slope on this side. Okay. So for the point, what we do is we're going to plug x equals 1 into f of x. Okay. So this is for the point. So when we do that, we get f of 1 is equal to 3 times 1 squared minus 2 times 1 plus 5. It's going to work out as 3 minus 2 is 1 plus 5 is 6. So that's your y coordinate. And your x coordinate was 1. So your point is 1, 6. Okay, so we're going to use that later on. Okay, we're not done yet. We're going to use that later on. For the slope, we're going to differentiate f of x. So differentiate the original, and then we're going to plug x equals 1 into the derivative, f prime of x. Okay, so if f of x is equal to 3x squared minus 2x plus 5, f prime of x, the derivative, will be equal to 6x minus 2. Okay, now let x be 1. I'm going to plug x equals 1 in here. So it's going to be f prime of 1 equals 6 times 1 minus 2, and 6 times 1 minus 2 is 4. So therefore the slope is equal to 4. Okay, so now we have the slope and we have a point. Those are the two things we need. We're now going to write in y minus y1 equals m on x minus x1. That's the formula for the equation of a line. So just to make sure we know what we're doing here, this is going to be x1. The y coordinate will be y1, and this will be m. But again, this shouldn't be news to anyone. So we're going to have y minus y1 is 6 equals m is 4 on x minus x1 is 1. And technically speaking, you've got the equation of your tangent there. But if you're not quite sure, we can continue that out so that we get our answer in slope-intercept form. It's going to be 4x minus 4, and if we move the minus 6 over, it'll be plus 6. So y is equal to 4x plus 2. Is the equation of our tangent. Okay, y equals 4x plus 2. Let's just check that. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we'll pull this in here, and we'll try and graph the entire thing down here. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so we're going to graph it. Oh, sorry. We're going to graph it here. And the original equation was 3x squared minus 2x plus 5. So 3x squared minus 2x plus 5. Let's do that. Okay, and let's zoom out a little bit so that we can hopefully see it here. There you go. And then we want the tangent. So we thought the tangent should be y equals 4x plus 2. So let's draw this in as well. Okay, and we can see here. And now if we zoom in on that section, we can see that the point of tangency, we thought that the point of tangency was 1, 6. Okay. So let's zoom in on this point 1, 6 here a little bit. And we can see that the tangent looks to be coinciding with the graph at the point 1, 6 right here. Okay, so hopefully that helps you deal with this. Thank you.